How you doing? My name is Treniushenderson. You're tuning into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. It feels so good to be in the vortex right now, okay? And I'm about to get you in the vortex too, okay? So I'm about to teach you how to make the law of attraction flow easy in your life, okay? So if you're in a situation right now where you feel like, you know, things are not manifesting fast, I'm not able to get what I want, I'm not able to attract this, I'm not able to attract that, I don't know what it is, I don't know what's holding me back. In this video, I'm about to tell you exactly how you can begin to make the law of attraction just flow freely and easily as possible in your life, just like magic, okay? And so in this video, you're gonna be a part of the vortex, my very special vortex when it comes to manifestation. A lot of people always comment on my pictures on Instagram, and you know, they always see where I'll be at and stuff like that. Like last night I was at this Wiz Khalifa concert and it was major. I was actually right next to Wiz Khalifa, as a matter of fact. Shouts out to the guy that I met out in Las Vegas that took me backstage to get to know Wiz Khalifa. Okay, but anyway, that's just one of the little few things that I'm able to do being in the vortex. Okay, and a lot of people say, Trent, how do you get in the vortex? You know, how can you get me in this vortex? And I'm just like, well, listen to this video. The main thing that keeps a lot of people, okay, from being in the vortex, the main thing that stops the flow of law of attraction for most people is this thing that we call resistance, okay? You've heard that word before, right? Resistance. Most people cannot attract things to them because they are resisting something, meaning that they are worried about how something is going to happen. They're worried about the time frame. They're worried about, will I be able to make this bill? They're worried about, will I be able to meet this goal? The time is ticking. I need money right now, okay? But here's the key. This is the thing I learned on my journey, and it kept me in the vortex as time went on. What you gotta do is you gotta learn how to master detachment, okay? You have to learn how to master being detached from anything that you might be holding on to right now. That could be being detached, being attached to relationships. Yeah, those toxic relationships that you don't want to let go. Trust me, I've been in them too. I'm like, yo, if I let this go, what am I gonna do? You know, being attached to money. You know, like, oh my God, I can't circulate this money because I'm gonna save it for a rainy day. What if I don't have any more money left? You know, being attached to staying in a particular location that you don't feel right in versus moving and relocating and being in a nice sunny place like Las Vegas. You know, staying attached to anything, you know, can keep you from being in the vortex, from being in the flow of the law of attraction, the way the law of attraction wants to work for you. The truth is, folks, the law of attraction is always working all around us at all times. The universe is perfect. We see that in nature. We see that in birds. We see that in animals. We see that in nature. We see that all around us, but you have to be able to see it within yourself also, and that requires you to become completely detached and free from the negatives that are holding you back in your situation. Even if you're in a relationship with your significant other, okay, and y'all feel like y'all not attracting the way that y'all want to attract, y'all not able to do the things that y'all want to do. It's a lot of tension in the relationship. Both of y'all frustrated because y'all not able to live y'all best life. The only thing that you two have to do is break free from being attached to the things that you normally do habitually, okay? Break the habitual patterns of your cycle of life every day. Some of y'all do the same thing every single day, and you're trying to use the law of attraction. It don't work that way. It just don't work that way. In order to get the law of attraction work, you have to be free-flowing. You have to be free-spirited. You have to be spontaneous. You have to be detached. You have to be open to receive. You have to be receptive, okay, like the phone signal. You have to have reception to get the connection from the universe, okay? I'll give you an example. So me being in the vortex all the time, I'm always detached. You know, once upon a time, I could never talk to a female the way I talk to females today. Listen to what I'm saying. Now, just listen to what I'm saying. It's not like that. It's not like that. Where they do that at? But anyway, once upon a time, I was not able to talk to females the way I do today. Now I'm able to meet a nice looking female, have a great conversation, build rapport. We make a connection. We might exchange Instagram, you know, whatever, something like that. And then guess what I do? Thank you. Have a nice day. Shake hands, and I go my separate way. Now, once upon a time, TreniuS was like, ooh, this connection feel good. Girl, what you doing tonight? I ain't doing nothing. Are you free? I'm free. I'm ready. I'm ready to do whatever you really feel like you want to do. You know what I'm saying? It was just negative. It was always leading me down the wrong path. I was destroying my relationship. I was ruining the opportunities that the universe was providing me because I was attached, okay? But see, I broke free from being attached, and I became a person that I can let things go real easily, okay? You mad at me? Okay. You don't like me? I'm not gonna say anything back. I'm not attached to that, okay? They gonna dislike this video? Okay, I'm still gonna have a great day. Either way it goes. Hey, oh, hey. I'm in Las Vegas, living my best life. But you know what gets me to traveling all around the United States, being able to do the things that I want to do, is because I'm detached. I'm detached from where I grew up at. See what I'm saying? I'm like, you know what? I love where I used to grow up at. I love my hometown, but I'm in the flow of the law of attraction. I let the law of attraction flow easily. I'm in the vortex. I'm taking on every opportunity that comes to me. People walk up to you all the time and they have something to do with the law of attraction. You know, it's always happening all around us. Even when you get in the Uber, the law of attraction has sent somebody to pick you up that has something to do with where you want to go. Somebody, even men, when men are trying to talk to you or whatever, and you think that they just want your number, it could be a really humble guy. Females, it could be a really good guy. He could have a good business. You know, he could be looking for somebody to be his assistant or something, paying good money. But you're never gonna know that if you are always attached to the fact that all men are after the same thing, like I used to be. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be open to receive. How did I get to meet Wiz Khalifa last night? Because I was in the bathroom, and when I went to wash my hands, there was a guy beside me washing his hands. And he was like, man, what's up? I was like, what's up, man? You know, I'm detached, okay? He's like, what's up? I'm like, what's up? And he's like, well, you know what, man? What's your name? What's your Instagram? Let's exchange contacts. Let's get to know each other, man. I'm from Las Vegas. And I'm like, yeah, I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina, this and that, and so forth. And so we exchanged contacts. You know, I was attached from the fact that I was with friends already. But when I met him, he led me to meet his friend, Wiz Khalifa. You know, now if I was attached, if I was like, oh my man, I can't do it, man. I don't even know you like that, man. I don't do strangers like that, man. I don't even know you from a can of paint, man. You know, if I was like that, if I was attached, I would have never got to see Wiz Khalifa. You see what I'm saying? So you got to be in the flow. It's always working to get you the results and the things and the solutions that you need, the money that you need and you want to receive. It's always happening all around us. But can you see it? Are you able to break free from the chains of attachment? Something is holding you back. And now it's time to let go. Now it's time to make the decision to start living your best life so that the law of attraction can begin to flow easily for you, okay? The law of attraction will flow easily for you because now you will be in the vortex, okay? So with that being said, this is how you get the law of attraction to flow easily for you, okay? Now it shouldn't be no shadow of a doubt of how to make this happen. You can make this happen. You can make this decision, okay? Change your life entirely, okay? And start living your Las Vegas lifestyle where it's like a Saturday every day. Woo! I love it. This is my home. Yeah. Absolutely. You want to be in the vortex? You want to be in the vortex? I'm in the vortex. I'm always in the vortex. But maybe you find it a little difficult to like become detached. Okay, you want to work with me for 7 days? I need 30 minutes a day for 7 days, and I can get you into my vortex. I can help you manifest things like I'm manifesting. I can help you see your favorite celebrity too. Okay, I'm a living testimony. Shouts out to Wiz Khalifa, black and yellow, black and yellow. It was a great night tonight. And what were they talking about tonight? Oh, 2 Chainz. 2 Chainz tonight, baby. If you want to attract your best life, if you want to let the law of attraction flow easily, but you might be having just a difficult time doing it, you need mind empowerment, Treniushenderson, I want to offer you my Vortex class, okay? 7 days, 30 minutes each day, okay? Very inexpensive class, okay? Only if you're ready to make the decision to start attracting fast, okay? So in the comment below, at the very top of the comment section below, okay, you'll see my email, all right? And you'll see my website as well. And so what you do is go to my website. You'll see where it says the Vortex, okay? I'm gonna put at the very top of my website, Vortex, scroll down. Go and get the Vortex class, and I will be working with you for 7 days straight. You gotta be on your shit. Because if you ain't on your shit, it ain't gonna work right. I gotta be able to work with you, man. All right? Real talk, man. That's what they say. Real talk, man. Real talk. Bruh. Okay? Get in contact with me. Get your Vortex today. Let's start manifesting your best life ever. I need somebody out here in Las Vegas with me. Click this right here. Subscribe to my channel, but hit the bell notification so that you be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. If you ain't hit the bell notification, you are missing out on videos. Those birds up there in the Vortex, they so happy. Make sure you check out one of these videos right here in the meantime. Remember, scroll down to the comment section of this video. At the very top, you'll see where it says Vortex. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.